Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Jonathan Nicosia. I'm with the RV shop in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Renegade Explorer 40 ERB. This is a 4-slide coach, bath and a half floor plan. Today we're going to be going around the inside and the outside, giving you a detailed look at everything it has to offer. Let's take a look. This is the 2024 Renegade Explorer 40 ERB in the Nardo Gray Polaris exterior color paint. Full body paint with the Cascadia blackout package. The blackout package includes the 22.5-inch factory Alcoa aluminum wheels, the grille, hood vents, mirrors, and all your handles are all blacked out. Good looking combination with the Nardo Gray and the blackout package. You have a Girard roof mount awning up top, frameless windows, keyless entry, outside entertainment. On your back cap, nice stainless inlay, the Explorer logo, 20,000 pound hitch, backup camera, dryer vent there. Gonna have an 8 kW Onan generator. 4 slide outs on this coach. You have 120 gallons of fuel capacity. And this is the Cascadia P4 116. This is gonna have the DD13, 525 horsepower, all LED lights throughout, inside and outside of the coach. Great looking RV. So now I'm gonna open up these bays and go through them one by one. All right. With all of our bays open, got a nice big smart TV, Samsung smart TV, the sound bar. All of our storage bays are spray and bed liner cargo material. So no carpet inside all these bays. These 2 front bays will connect. There in the center, fit a little longer things that you may need. 110 plug, LED lights in each cabinet. Next bay is gonna have a 450D Aqua Hot. This is your source of for your furnace and your hot water, diesel and electric. Nice entry steps here, all solid surface with the cushioned steps for some grip, and then plenty of shoe storage underneath each step. Good feature. Again, the keyless entry, the lit grab handle, Renegade logo. Good look at these rear Alcoa wheels on the blackout package. Michelin tires, docking lights. This is the option of the exterior fridge and freezer. This is powered by 110 or 12 volt. This is on a slide out tray, so you can pull that out and easily access it. If you remove this, you have a 3/4 pass-through for storage. So you can still pull this out and get things back there for storage purposes. The last storage bay on the passenger side is gonna house your sensor vacuum. All of these bays are heated. So with your furnace, you can heat all of your exterior bays. Good look at this back cap. Again, this is a 20,000 pound hitch. There's your weights. 3,000 pounds of tongue weight, 20,000 pounds of trailer weight. This comes with a 2 5/16 2-inch ball. That comes standard. Backup camera on the back of your trailer, already pre-wired, and your 7-way plug here. Again, all LED lights. Moving to the driver's side. Short cord power reel, power transfer switch, surge protector. You have a 110 plug in this bay as well. 8,000 Onan generator by Cummins. Here we have our wet bay from Renegade. All these labels are water jetted in, not stickers, so they're not going to fall off on you. Whole coach water filter, sea level tank monitor out here, nice and convenient to be able to see your levels while you're dumping everything. Power cord reel for your hose, and a flow jet macerator pump for your dump station, which is located right next door. Here's the hose for your macerator. And that's your 75-gallon black tank. And next to it is your 75-gallon gray tank. Moving forward, we have our 3,000 watt Victron Energy inverter, your solar controller, next is our battery bay. So 2 AD AGM batteries come standard in this rig. We can't add the lithiums. If that's something you want to add as lithium batteries, we could do it. The Victron inverter is compatible with both, so it's a hybrid inverter. Chassis batteries here. You have an air chuck on board to be able to fill up all your tires up to around 130 psi with your engine running. And here we have 120 gallons of fuel and your DEF. All right, we'll make our way inside and see what it's got to offer. All right, with our slides closed, show you how much room we have. Refrigerator, easy to get to. Freezer, plenty of room and access. Full access to your dinette. All your kitchen, all your drawers can easily sit on the theater seats. Tightest spot moving back is going to be right across from the theater seats and the fireplace. So right here, a little tight, but still doable. Then you can get to your half bath easily and full access to your bedroom. So plenty of space with the slides closed and the 40 ERB. All right, we are inside of the 40 ERB. We'll start up here on the dash. Of course, air ride seats from Freightliner. These are the Sears brand. They're adjustable with lumbar support. Steering wheel controls on the steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control. The new digital dash from Freightliner. Includes Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so it works seamlessly with your phone. Really good feature. You got your differential lock here. You can lower your suspension. Rear view, side view cameras located here, where your rear view mirror would be. Here you have a little bit of storage, 110 outlet, the jack panel. Of course, you can control this from your Firefly screen in the back as well. More storage here, and your controls for your awning outside. Good looking cab. All right, we'll move on back. Starting with our fridge, 18 cubic foot fridge, similar to most of the Renegades from the Verona on up. All have the same Samsung refrigerator. Pull out drawer for the freezer and the ice maker. All of these will latch. For the fridge, and the freezer. Pantry here. All soft close, pull out drawers. Stainless Samsung convection microwave. Having a hard time opening things today. Induction cooktop. Stainless steel sink. Storage above. Plenty of storage below. Big drawer here. All soft close cabinets. Adjustable shelves here. 4 nice sized drawers. Storage under your sink. And that is a subwoofer there for your sound system. It can be relocated if you want us to. This has the option of the electric fireplace. So a really good feature to keep this place warm off your electricity plugged in at a campground. 2 more drawers here. Those are little crystals you can put inside of the fireplace if you like. That comes with it. For your TV, this will pull out like so. You have some storage underneath for your AV, DVD player, satellites, and then plenty of storage that goes all the way across behind this TV. So that'll pull out and you can change the direction of where you're sitting. We have the option of the theater seats in this rig. Can get a hide-a-bed sofa there if you need more sleeping, but they are power theater seats. Conveniently located 110 outlet, USB, USB-C plugs. And there are seat belts in both of these. So for our seat belts go in the back, 2 seat belts here, 2 seat belts here. So total of 6 seat belts on board. Plenty of overhead storage. You have manual night and day shades throughout the coach. Good sized dinette that will convert to a sleeper. Plenty of 110 plugs with USBs on the dinette as well. Heated floors, front and back. That's all controlled by your Firefly panel here. So we can go to our climate, our floors, and you can control front and rear for your heated floors. Good look at your entryway. The cabinets we got here. Nice size little coat rack storage spot upon entry. This is going to be nice location for your breaker boxes and your Victron Energy Control Center, so you can see what's going on with your power, your solar, your batteries. All can be viewed from there. Half bath. This is going to be what you're using in travel mode with the slides closed. All solid surface counters matching the living area, the kitchen. Storage. More storage here. Soft closed drawer. Porcelain macerator toilet. Push flush. Back of the door. Nice towel rack. Hook. And then moving into our bedroom. Got our RV king size bed with storage up above. Some buttons to where you can start your generator, control your ceiling fan. All with the push of a button right there, conveniently located. Some little shelves next to the bed, next to your 110 plugs with USBs. And across from our bed, we have our 32-inch Samsung TV, split wardrobe for hanging everything. 110 plug here, and then 3 dresser drawers on either side, so everybody's got the equal amount of drawers. And big drawer below, AV cabinet with more storage. Go back into the master bath. Another porcelain macerator toilet in the corner. And we have our Splendid washer and dryer stack. Out the way, easy to get to. For your vanity. Storage behind it. Nice accent light. Storage there. And then 3 storage drawers to the left. More storage, adjustable shelves in the bathroom with another wardrobe. So plenty of wardrobe space in this 40-foot coach. And then shower, the teak seat, skylight, all solid surface, tile, adjustable shower head. Nice roomy shower with the glass door. Beautiful coach, the Renegade Explorer 40 ERB. All right, that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm going to put my contact information right here on the screen. You can contact me directly. I'll be happy to work with you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more information on RVs I have coming through my lot. So I look forward to seeing you soon.